In this lesson, I will teach you how to solve simultaneous equations using elimination method. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Now, the following steps are used in solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method. For example, let's not read them. Let's just use them in this question, one by one. For instance, you are told to find the x and y in the following simultaneous equations. So we will follow these three steps. Step 1, multiply the equations by opposite value of either x or y. For instance, maybe you might not get it. Let me show you. Let us use x. We can use either x or y, which we will choose by this name elimination. It means we will eliminate either x or y. For example, we will want to eliminate x here. So multiply the equations by the opposite value of either x or y. Here we want to eliminate x. We have 4x. We have 2x. What do? We multiply by the opposite value. Let me rewrite the question here. 2x plus 3y equals to 7. 4x minus 5y equals to 1. Put them in brackets like that. Now we have a 4 here, we'll multiply this side by 4. We have a 2 here, we'll multiply this part by 2. Multiply 4 by everything here. 4, what are we getting? We'll get 8. 8x plus 12y is equals to 28. 8x minus 10y is equal to 2. So when you get to this point, what you realize is that this 8, we have an 8x and we have an 8x, and that was the goal. We should have two terms that are similar. So that means we can subtract. We'll get to step 2 now. We have finished step 1. Step 2, add the two equations to eliminate either x or y. Although I've said add, but you can either add or subtract, because the goal is to make sure that we eliminate x. But here to eliminate x, we will subtract. So that's why I've said add or subtract. It depends on the situation. So I'm subtracting. 8 minus 8, I'll get a 0. You will follow the same operation you've used to get a 0. You'll use it. I've used negative. I have negated to get a 0, so I'll also negate here. So I'll take this whole term minus this whole term. So I'll get a 12 minus this term. So 12 minus 10, it's a positive 10 now. Negative times negative is positive. 12 plus 10, we'll get a 22. 22y is equal to 28 minus 2, 26. So I'll divide by 22. Divide by 22. What are you getting? Y is equal to 2 goes here, 11 times 2 goes here, 13 times. So it's 13 over 11. We already have the numerical value of y. And then what's next? Substitute the value of x back into equation 1. Let's get back to equation 1. What is the equation 1? This is the equation 1. Let's write it here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Now let's take this y, and where we have a y, let's write this value of y. So it equates to 2x plus 3. 3 times this value, you will get 39 over 11 is equal to 7. So you will collect the like terms. 7 subtract this 39 over 11. So it's the same as 2x is equal to 7 minus 39 over 11. So do calculate that on your calculator. do the operations on your calculator, what you will get is x7 minus 39 over 11. I believe you'll get 38 over 11. And now we have 2x. We need to find x. Divide both sides by 2. We'll multiply that by a half. Divide by 2. Yeah, 19. So x is equal to 19 over 11. And now we have solved the simultaneous equation using elimination method. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video.